In this video, we provide instructions on how to properly replace the manual brake release assembly. This is typically done when replacing a brake or when the release no longer operates as needed. To begin, remove the old manual release.
We want the brake placed so that the handle's in the lower position. So we have our brake components, brake handle release components here. We have the mounting bracket. As you can see, this is the upper position. This is the lower position. This is the position you want to put it on your brake. The components consist of the following: your brake handle and your knob, 2 hex head screws, 2 washers, 2 springs, and 2 posts. So we want to put the bracket on in this fashion, so it's down here. You do not want to put it like this. So you want it in the lower position. We're going to take our posts. As you can see, the hole is offset. You want the hole going towards the brake. So that goes inside the bracket here. And you will place the washers on the hex nut screws and then the spring. You're going to come from the bottom and your screw is going to go into that post and the threaded hole of that post. Once you got it lined up in there, you're going to just thread it in there by hand. 7mm wrench for this screw. The screw already has some Loctite on it. It's got a nylon patch, so you won't have to put any Loctite on this. You want to screw it in enough until the threads show up on the top, and then we will adjust it later. So I'm about even with it now. I want to show maybe 2 or 3 threads above the post. Okay, we're through now. I'm going to do the same with the other side. Our bolt, our washer, our spring, the post with the hole in it, threaded hole. The short end goes in first. Sometimes the post turns on you. I'm going to use a wrench to straighten out the hole so the thread lines up with the bolt. Started. if you can see in there, but the screws just pop past this post. And we have it in the lower position here. Putting that on our brake handle, but generally you put the brake handle on after you put the fan cowl onto your motor. As you can see, you will put some Loctite on here and you're going to put it in here. Tighten it up. Okay, so that's your brake handle on your brake.
Once you have followed the steps in the video and your manual release is mounted, please see the next video, Setting the Brake, for how to properly set both the brake and release to operate as required.